Alright, so this gasket right here, this is the oil reservoir plate gasket, and this is the existing gasket that was there. So I have already changed the gasket right here and about to mount it back on the machine, right? So this is it to be mounted right here. So let me get it up and running. Changing the gaskets right here, and this one right here also, just screwing the screw. Alright, so let me just untighten these and screwing the two at the top. Alright, rest the machine down. And then add this screw. Alright.